So, why do you, what was the first question?
It's here. Why do you wish clients asked you more often?
What do I wish clients asked me more
That's
often?
a tough one, no?
It is a tough one, actually. I mean, I wish they would invite me over for dinner more often after the design was finished. No, I'm just joking. What do I wish they'd ask me more often? So when we do a project, we do invest a lot of ourselves in the project. It's not just always about doing what the client wants. Sometimes it's about putting ourselves into the project quite a lot as well. So sometimes I would love it if a client would say, what would you do here? And actually ask me that, as opposed to me doing it and then showing the client and they're like, I'm confused, I didn't ask for that. But it's a very hard question to ask, actually.